guys, we are going to discuss about the fraction and its types in under 5 minutes. In just 5 minutes you will be amazed. You will be known about the unit fraction, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, equivalent fractions as well. So let's begin the video. What is fractions? Fractions are those terms which have numerator and the denominator. What is numerator and what is denominator? Numerator always be at the top, while the denominator always be at the bottom. Okay, here 4 upon 6. 4 is numerator, 6 is denominator. It is an example of fraction. What fraction definition says? Terms which have numerator and the denominator are called the fractions. It is very simplest definition. Let's take another example. 12 upon 6. Here you can say 12 is numerator and 6 is denominator. 5 upon 6. Here 5 is numerator and 6 is denominator. So these are the examples of fractions. Now we are going to discuss about the types of fractions. Unit fractions. Fractions with numerator 1 is called the unit fractions. And whenever you have 1 in numerator is called unit fractions. You can see the examples 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 4. Proper fractions. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called the proper fraction. As you can see 4 upon 9. Here 4 is numerator and 9 is denominator. 4 is less than 9. It means numerator is less than denominator, so it is called proper fractions. What is improper fraction? Fraction in which the numerator is more than the denominator. 5 is numerator, 3 is denominator, 5 is more than 3, 5 is greater than 3, so it means it is proper fraction. It is improper fraction, sorry. What is the difference between proper and improper fraction? In proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. And in improper fraction, the numerator is more than the denominator. Simple. Mixed fraction is always the combination of the whole number plus the proper fraction. 2 is whole, 3.5 is proper fraction. It is the combination of a whole number and the proper fraction. Why I am saying 3.5 is whole number? I am saying 3.5 is a proper fraction, sorry. Why? Because it is in this numerator is less than the denominator. Because in this numerator is less than the denominator. How it comes? You can see 5 2 times is 10, and when we subtract 10 from the 13 you will get 3. 2 is quotient, 5 is divisor, 3 is remainder. So this is how it comes. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the like fraction. The fractions which have same denominator are called the like fraction. For example, 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Here the denominators are same, so that's why it is called like fraction. What is unlike fraction? The fraction which have different denominators. For example, 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. 3 and 4 are different denominators, so that's why it is called unlike fraction. What is equivalent fraction? Fractions which have different denominator and numerator but are equal to the same value. For example, 2 upon 4 and 3 upon